Hi, welcome to Fertility. Today we are talking about are allergy medications safe to take while trying to conceive. When considering any medications during pregnancy and while trying to conceive, it is important to evaluate the potential risk the medication may cause a developing fetus. It is best to discuss possible issues with your doctor, but if you have to take medication while trying to conceive, Category B drugs are typically safe options as they have been tested in animal studies without recognized risks to unborn babies. Claritin and Alavert are both Category B allergy medications, but please consult your doctor. If you have any comments or questions, please post them below. And if you know someone who might benefit from this, please share it. Also, don't forget to subscribe today to get access to more helpful info about infertility and trying to conceive. Thanks for watching. I'm Monica Healy.